Moi kaikille! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we make Finnish grammar easy and fun. Today we are learning all about Finnish Verb Type 3. We learn how to recognize it, how to conjugate it and use it in everyday sentences. Well, if you haven't watched my previous videos on Verb Type 1 and 2, I kindly request you to watch it first. So let's dive deeper now. Verbityppi 3. Verb Type 3. Now what is Verb Type 3? The verbs belonging to this verb type end in la, la, na, na, ra, ra, sta, sta. In other words, it ends in two consonants and a vowel. Let's look at few examples. Tulla means to come. It ends with LLA. Mennä means to go. It ends in NNA. Two consonants and one vowel. Purra means to bite. It ends in RRA. Pestä means to wash. It ends in STA. Nousta means to get up. It ends in STA. Jutella means to chat. It ends in LLA. So we have many endings here in Verb Type 3. The basic rule says that the basic form, that is the infinitive of Verb Type 3, always ends in la, na, ra, sta and is preceded by two consonants. Vartalo, stem. In verbs, the stem is the base form after removing the infinitive ending and sometimes modifying it. It is the part of a word that doesn't change when you add different endings. Let's have a look at this example. Tulla means to come. Here, in order to find the stem, we remove the la or la, then we append an a. Hence, we get the stem tule. Let's take another example. Mennä means to go. Here, we remove n, a and we add a. So, we get the stem mene. Taivutus means conjugation. In this slide, we will look at how to conjugate verb type 3 verbs. Verb conjugation means the process of changing the verb depending on who is doing the action and when the action happens. Let's take the first example. Mina, tule, which is the vartalo, and n, which is the personal ending of Mina, when clubbed together becomes Mina tulen. I come, or you can say only tulen. Similarly, Sina tulet. You come. Hän tulee. Here we double the vowel. Hän tulee. He or she comes. Now let's see plural conjugations. Me tulemme. We come. Te tulette. You all come. He tulevat. They come. Now let's look at some example sentences in present tense. Minä menen kouluun. Here, Minä is the subject. Menen comes from the verb mennä. Kouluun means to the school. Minä menen kouluun. I go to school. Let's take another example. Hän pesee kädet. Here, hän is the subject. Pesee comes from the verb pestä, means to wash. Kädet means hands. Hän pesee kädet. He or she washes hands. Okay, here is another example. Me nousemme aikaisin. Here, me is the subject. Nousemme is the verb from nousta, means to get up. Aikaisin means early. Me nousemme aikaisin. We get up early. In this slide, we will have a look at all conjugations of the verb mennä. Minä menen, I go. Sinä menet, you go. Hän menee, he or she goes. Me menemme, we go. Te menette, you all go. He menevät, they go. This was all about verb type 3. Hope it is now clear. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.